This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add external audio language track to a video in VLC media player. So first of all, open your VLC media player and click on media, convert/save, and click on add and select here your video file. Click on show more options. Play another media synchronously. Check this option. Browse, add, and select your audio. Click on select. Now click on convert, save. Click on this icon and I'm selecting here MP4. Create. Give a profile name. Create. And click on browse to select a folder to export the file. Now click on start. And that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.